Hi, this is Florian from BORA. Today I want to show you our configuration of the Classic 2.0 system after you have installed it in the kitchens at the client. This is what you need to do after the first installation of BORA Classic 2.0. So I have the appliance here in my cabinet, and as you see here this lightened on and off button. If you see this button, there is already a big way done, because then everything is installed in a good way. Power is on, so everything fine. If you don't find this button, please check again all the electrical connections, then maybe something is wrong with the connections somewhere. So in my case, everything fine. I start the appliance the very first time, and as you will see, it will end up automatically in the configuration menu. You see here conf in this line and a flashing red symbol, and on this red symbol I press one time and I'm automatically in the configuration part. I just need to tell the appliance what am I an exhaust system out, or am I a recirculation system, circ. Yeah? In my case it's a recirculation system, so that's why I keep it on circ. The arrow here is flashing, I follow this sign, and he's asking me which type of filter do you use. Do you use F3, our big filter unit, the ULB3, or do you use our small new filter unit, the ULBF, which is used mostly in the blind areas? So in my case, I have used the ULBF, our new filter system. I agree that with the arrow, and he's asking me one more time, fan start. That means if I push this button one more time, he's checking up all the system, if I install everything in a good way. After a couple of seconds, you will see that it's changing to green, everything fine. The arrow is flashing the last time. I push it one more time, and the appliance ends up in the final client using part. So the appliance is ready to use for the client. So please do that for us out there. It's not a very difficult step. Just tell the appliance exhaust or recirculation. Thanks for that. Have a good time, and cheers and bye bye.